Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Strength in English. Today we are going to learn present perfect continuous. Education means inspiring someone's mind, not just filling their head. Students, now let us learn English. To learn English effectively, Strength in English will help you. So therefore, learn English and earn knowledge because English is for life. It is merely our sincere efforts to create a virtual platform for effective learning among the students across the globe to acquire adequate knowledge in the English language, since the proficiency in English is a must in all walks of students' life. So therefore, you can get a lot of benefits for your life with regard to learning English. So therefore, make use of this channel Strength in English. You can put forth your comments after watching the channel, and then you can click the like buttons, and then you can subscribe to this channel, and then you can forward this particular channel to your friends, students, teachers, and everyone who are interested in learning. Students, today we are going to learn present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense means the action which happened in the past, that is perfect. Present means the effect is present, so we call it present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense means the action which started in the past. The effect is still present. Still, the action and the effect, both of them are continuing. Now to state, now to express this particular idea, we use present perfect continuous tense. For example, it has been raining. As I have been telling you about intermediate, you are learning how to apply your grammatical knowledge in the situation, life situations. So therefore, this learning is completely based on situations, according to the circumstances and the people, how you can use your grammatical knowledge effectively. Okay, so therefore, study this example situation. Is it raining? No, but the ground is wet. It has been raining. And then here you have the word order. Have, has been plus present participle, or we can say verb plus ing is the present perfect continuous. For example, I, we, they, you. And then for these pronouns we use have plus been plus present participle, that is doing, waiting, playing, that is verb plus ing. For example, if you are using the third person singular pronouns, that is he, she, it, then we use the auxiliary verb has, and then followed by been, and then we are using verb plus ing, or we can say that present participle, doing, waiting, playing, eating, cooking, etc. So students, here we are going to learn how to use this present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense in our life. That is very important. Okay, so we use the present perfect continuous for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. Okay, that is first understanding. We use the present perfect continuous for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped, but there is a connection with now. Now to express this particular idea, we use present perfect continuous. For example, you are out of breath. Have you been running? Which means what? You are out of breath now. Paul is very tired. He has been working very hard. Which means what? He is tired now. Why are your clothes so dirty? What have you been doing? I have been talking to Amanda about the problem and she agrees with me. Where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere. Students, here we are going to understand further. For example, it has been raining for 2 hours. Study this example situation. It began raining 2 hours ago and it is still raining. How long has it been raining? It has been raining for 2 hours. We use the present perfect continuous in this way with how long, for and since. This activity is still happening as in this example or has just stopped. Now to express this particular idea we use present perfect continuous. For example, how long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? Which means what? You might have started a month ago. You might have started 2 weeks ago. You might have started 3 months ago. You started 3 months ago. You are still learning. Which means what? The action began in the past. The effect is still there. And then the action is still continuing. Not to express this particular idea. Then we use present perfect continuous tense. Next one. Tim is still watching television. He has been watching television all day. Where have you been? I've been looking for you for the last half hour. Chris hasn't been feeling well recently. You can use the present perfect continuous for actions repeated over a period of time. Okay, students, you can use the present perfect continuous for actions repeated over a period of time. For example, Debbie is a very good tennis player. She has been playing since she was 8. Okay, since she was 8. Since she was 8. At the age of 8. Okay, from the age of 8 till now she has been playing. That is what we are trying to say. Every morning they meet in the same cafe. They've been going there for years. Not only today, every day from the day they started for years. They have been going there for years. Students, here the best clarity is given. What is the difference between present continuous and what is the difference between present perfect continuous with regard to usage? Here you can see the two best diagrams. I am doing means what? Right now, in this moment. Okay, right now, this moment I am doing. But whereas present perfect continuous tense means you started in the past, the effect is still there, the action has been continuing. Okay, now let us see the examples. Don't disturb me now, I'm working. We need an umbrella, it's raining. Hurry up, we are waiting. Okay, you're expressing your own thing, maybe an action, whatever it is, which is happening right now. Secondly, you come to the next side, present perfect continuous. I've been working hard. Now I am going to have a break. The ground is wet. It has been raining. We've been waiting for an hour. You see, you can say that I've been teaching in this particular school since 2005. I've been studying this particular school since 2008. I've been studying in this particular school since 2019. You can say, which means you started in the past, the effect is still there, the action is still going on. Now to express this particular idea, we can use present perfect continuous. Students, now it's time for exercise. I hope that you all have understood this particular session. Now let us proceed. Are you ready? Students, here you are given the exercise. First one, what have these people been doing or what has been happening? So you need to look at the picture, you need to understand the picture. Accordingly, you need to write the answer grammatically and logically well. So first one you take, earlier and now. What can you see? Earlier shopping. Now they have come. So they have been shopping. A similar way, the second, third, fourth you can complete. Students here 7.2. Write a question for each situation. You meet Paul as he is leaving the swimming pool. Therefore, you ask him, have you been swimming? Okay, so like that you can complete the answers for second, third, fourth and fifth. Students, here you have 7.3. Read the situations and complete the sentences. It's raining. The rain started 2 hours ago. It has been raining for 2 hours. So like that way you need to complete the other sentences. Students, here you have 7.4. Put the verb into the present continuous or present perfect continuous. So you need to understand the sentences accordingly. You need to write. So which sentence you can use present continuous and which sentence you need to use present perfect continuous. Okay, students, this is one of the best exercises you can ever do. Students, it's time for checking your answers. I hope that all of you have written. So kindly check your answers, kindly check the spellings, kindly check the punctuation, kindly check the capital letters which are used in the beginning of the sentences or names, whatever it is. Kindly check it. Now we are going to check your answers. So students, here you have got answer keys. Okay, so first you can see 7.1. So after that you can just go up to 7.2 and then you can come to right hand side 7.3 and 7.4, 2, 3, 4 on the left side, 5, 6, 7 on the right side. Okay students, so I'm repeating once again. 7.1 is just below the red pencil, and then 7 point is just above the red pencil, and then 7.3 is on the right side. 7.4, it is given in two sides. The first one is 2, 3, 4 is given on the left side. 5, 6, 7 are given on the right side. Very nice students. It's all about future. It's all about making your future in the present. So therefore, whatever you learn, remember that you need to put your learning into practice. How? By reading, writing, speaking and listening. At the same time, remember that you need to speak what you have learned. You need to put into practice, because education is our passport to the future, but tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. So students, take the education with you. Thank you so much students. Kindly put forth your comments. Kindly forward this particular lesson to your friends, students, teachers, the students, those who are really interested in learning. Kindly make the platform as a platform for good teaching and learning. Kindly put forth your comments. If you like it, kindly click the like icons. Then you can subscribe to this channel, and then you can recommend your friends to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.